Quickly, I want to speak on the issue going on concerning my beloved brother, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, the spiritual leader of Zion Ministry Movement worldwide. And I want to really express my displeasure over some people who have been speaking negatively concerning the ministry of this young man. And I've come to discover, I've watched most of the videos, and I've seen that 95% of the people who are actually killing and bullying this young man, Ebuka Obi, are from the east. The enemy of a man is a member of his own household. And I sat down to ask myself some questions. Why are some of the Igbo people behaving like this? Why? You can't protect your own. Ebuka Obi is an original. Ebuka Obi is a fake prophet. You that is original. Do it, let's see it. If every pastor in Nigeria is fake and you are the only original, why not do it, let's see it? If a pastor buys a car, it's fake. He built a house, it's fake. But if a blogger, if a commander, if a magician buys a private jet, now also 95%, 99% of people who are abusing Ebuka Obi now are his own brothers and sisters from the east. This is why this thing is eating me. Because I can remember vividly during the time I was speaking about Nnamdi Kanu. Before his arrest, I gave the prophecy. After he was arrested, I gave the prophecy. Everything I have said concerning the Igbo, concerning the East and Nnamdi Kanu, none of them did not come to pass. And most of the Igbo leaders, some of the Igbo leaders, are still the reason why Nnamdi Kanu is in the detention. You will come and say he's the president, Tinubu. Tinubu has nothing to do with it. This is the handwork of some of the wicked Igbo people. You will still come now and abuse me on this video. Did Sunday Igboho did not commit the same offense that Nnamdi Kanu committed? Where is Sunday Igboho today? The man is out, helping his people. He is even the one speaking for the release of Nnamdi Kanu now. What is going on? What is wrong with some of the Igbo people? How many times have you seen Yoruba people come out to criticize their pastor? Out of 100, 10%. Edo people, how many times? We the adults, we don't do all this nonsense. Ono Amakbe, I'm a big bully. If your house did not kill you, nobody will kill you. We know how to protect our own. If you cannot protect your own, we protect our own. How many times have you seen an outside man come out to start criticizing his own brother or sister? Ebuka Obi has done what no man has done before. Ebuka Obi has killed the whole world. Because of that, let's destroy him. No wonder Judas sold Jesus Christ. People like Matthias Ezek, Parara, so many of them, 99% of the people carrying Ebuka matter on their head now are the Igbos. No, they shame. This is why an Igbo man will never rule Nigeria. On the line, we never, except the country divide. Why? Because there is no unity between you people. No unity. Why some are speaking A, some are speaking W? There are some of you now, I know how many times now some people have also chatted me, called me to tell me that Simon Ekpa, what he's doing is fighting for his pocket. He's not fighting for the Biafra. He's not fighting for the Igbo. What is wrong with some of the Igbo people? Anyone that come out to bring out the name of the Igbo, will not go bring it down. What do you derive in bringing your own people down? If Ebuka Obi ministry close to them now, what will be your joy? What will be your happiness? Your own brother. You are not the shame. Ebuka Obi has committed the offense and no one has ever committed in the whole world. And I'm not surprised if people can also come out and say Jesus Christ is fake. Then who is Ebuka Obi? 99% of people who are also speaking against the church, Christ himself, are the Hebrews. So I'm not surprised. Ebuka Obi did that. Nnamdi Kanu ought to have come out from that prison. Some of the wicked Igbo people are still the reason why that man is still there. I don't close my mouth. If I tell you what I know, what I see, both physical and spiritual, you will run. And I pray that very soon Nnamdi Kanu will be released. I told him I warned him. I warned Nnamdi Kanu. I said, Rono, they want to sell you for a pot of porridge. On the 26th of December 2020, I gave that prophecy. I sent it to Nnamdi Kanu and his team. Tell this man to run. No, he saw people want to betray him. I told him before the arrest came. I not tell her. Didn't I say it? I said it to run from you people, but you people. So some of you are bad people. Bad people. You cannot fight for your brother. Oh, you want to go kill Ebuka Obi? If you destroy Zion ministry now, what will be your joy? I also want to speak to our father, Father Mbaka. The duty of a father is to call their children to order, advise them and encourage them, not to bring them outside and begin to throw them before the world. I'm talking based on what I've seen online. Ebuka Obi is a prophet sent by God. The hand of God is upon him. So nothing you do that will bring that man down. Nothing. Go to Zion ministry. Go and see hundreds of thousands of people all over the world that God is using that young man to lose. You people should at least pity now. At least have human sympathy. This is pure heaviness and jealousy from some of the wicked Igbo people. Ebuka Obi is fake. Are you not fake? Are you not fake? May God deliver Ebuka Obi from the hand of wicked brothers and sisters. May God deliver Zion ministry. Nothing you will do that will bring that man down. Nothing that you will do. Nothing. I pray that God will deliver you. To some of you that are saying, why you not see the vision? Some people say they see vision. Is it everything that God will reveal to you? If you are into the prophet, no wonder the Bible says a carnal man can never understand the things of the spirit. Elisha was helped by a woman. He lived with the woman for so many years. That's Zion ministry. Nothing you will do that will bring that man down. Nothing that you will do. Nothing. I pray that God will deliver you. To some of you that are saying, why you not see the vision? Some people say they see vision. Is it everything that God will reveal to you? If you are into the prophet, no wonder the Bible says a carnal man can never understand the things of the spirit. Elisha was helped by a woman. He lived with the woman for so many years. But he never knew that the woman was barren. God did not reveal it to him until Elisha told his servant, Gehazi, please go and make some inquiry and let us know what's happening to this woman. What can we do for this woman? And now when I came back, I said, master, the woman is barren. He said, no wonder. No child has come to welcome us. Oh, God, he did for me. Why? Not everything that God will show to you as a prophet. That useless RG Jonathan came and play all that he did in Zion ministry. Ebuka Obi did not see it. God did not show it to me. Not show it to him. It's not everything that God will show you. Ebuka Obi did not arrange it. Even though Ebuka Obi arranged himself, what's your problem inside? What's your problem? Nnamdi Kanu is there now. He's suffering for fighting fighting for his own people. He know they touch na popular. We now go see come out and see they spoil the man. I pray for Nnamdi Kanu every day. And I pray for my president, the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. No matter what you do, he is the president of Nigeria. When Peter Obi was contesting, some people, Igbo people, still did not support him. Did not support Peter Obi. Come on, they tell me how will Igbo man rule Nigeria. May God deliver Ebuka Obi. Ebuka Obi, come, let them eat you. You want to eat him, or you're going to chop him. A poor young man that God has raised from his family to help his people. Una not like him. Una want destroy him. He do a regime. You that is real. Some of the people that will see insult me on this video now, see the Igbo people. Now they will insult me. You come to comment section. You will see them. 99% of the comment are from the Igbo people. They will insult a hell out of me. Insult my dead father. If you insult me on this video, you are an idiot. You insult me on this video because you don't know yourself. May God preserve Ebuka Obi and his ministry. May God preserve all the Zion members worldwide. May God preserve you that is going to watch this video. And may God deliver you from wicked as well wickedness. Deliver you from unfriendly friend. As you watch and share this video, may your life never go down. It is well with you.